Hello guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to buy new tokens before listing. So guys, if you want to buy new tokens, if you have Phantom wallet, you click on this, you will see trending tokens. Click on see more. So guys, you can buy some of these new projects before listing on crypto exchange. Before you buy any of them, conduct your research before you make a move. So guys, if you want to buy, for example, the next Bitcoin, the first thing you will do is this. You will read about what this project is all about. You read everything about this project. You can click on the website to get detailed information about this project. You can click on the Telegram link to have an idea of what their Telegram platform is all about. You can click on their X link to have an idea of what this project is all about. The market cap is 10.22 million. So guys, conduct your research before you buy any project on Phantom wallet. If you are interested in this project, you click on swap. Make sure you have Solana in your wallet. You will swap Solana to buy Botcoin. So guys, this is how to buy new or trending tokens on Phantom wallet. So guys, if you have Gate.io crypto exchange, you can join the spot trading pre-market. You can buy Bloom. You can also buy AI3, but make sure you understand this project before you buy. So guys, this is how I trade on the spot pre-market. Anytime Bloom is low, I buy Bloom. When Bloom is high, I sell Bloom. So guys, Bloom is down minus 67.93%. If you understand Bloom or you know about the project, you can buy Bloom before they list Bloom officially. When they list the project, you can sell. But what I do is this. I buy Bloom on the spot pre-market. When it's low, I buy. When it's high, I sell off. So I don't have to wait till when they list Bloom officially. If you click on pre-market again, you will see pre-market OTC. Before you join the pre-market OTC, make sure you understand the project that you're buying. If they list the project, the value of the project might go down. So be careful with pre-market OTC. I prefer the spot pre-market because I can easily buy and I can easily sell. This one you have to wait until they list the project officially before you have access to the project. So guys, conduct your research. If you want to buy new project before they launch again on Gate.io exchange, you can join the launch pool. You click on launch pool. This is a new project, so if you are interested in this project, you can join this. You can also click on older airdrop. If you want to participate in this airdrop, make sure you understand this project before you put your money in it. To participate, you click on participate now. Make sure you have JT tokens represent Gate.io crypto exchange. If you have JT tokens, you can participate in older airdrop. So guys, conduct your research before you make any move. If you have Bitget exchange, you can also buy new tokens before the list. You can join the pre-market. So guys, conduct your research. You can buy pause. People have been farming pause on Telegram. So if you are interested in pause, make sure you understand Bitget pre-market. You can buy from any of these merchants. If you are interested in this project, you can buy from any of these merchants. If you have as low as over 5 USDT. You can join the pre-market. So guys, this is how to buy new tokens before they list them on crypto exchange. Conduct your research before you make a move. If you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.